mess once again. And I was over there making water for my tea and for his Marushan. My brother's gonna be coming over in a bit so that he could make I don't know if you guys should know. First World Series games today or something like that. For making ribs here and I'm making the shrimp boil. So my breakfast is going to be literally a tea and some Chips Ahoy.
Chips Ahoy.
My tea and some Chips Ahoy. I'm so tiny now.
They look the same.
Really? I put the potatoes and the corn. We're just waiting on them. So I could take them out and then we could cook the sausage. But I think I'm going to have my mom cook the sausage.
¿Qué quiere? ¿Qué busca?
Que me exprimas un limón aquí.
So Bernardo. He's making the sauce because I'm not feeling too good right now.
My creation. Gonna try out the shrimps. One, two, three.
I don't like it. I like it with the cascara mejor. It feels more cooked with the cascara than without it.
You like the struggle?
Yeah.
Oh, Tronel.
We got ribs now. Try it.
Es que a ese no se lo esperaba.
The Dodgers won.
Era el otro, a que lo estaban cuidando.
You're supposed to scream, woo!
Tell your mom. Hey, tell your mom my team won and your team lost.